dish soap, orange paint, plasticine, and a little pot. First, you need to place the plasticine around the pot to form the volcano shape. I got the instructions from sciencebob.com. A link is in the description below. Next, smooth out the cracks with your finger. Finally, it's time to make the volcano erupt. Add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda, 1 spoonful of dish soap, 1 drop of orange paint, and an ounce of vinegar into the volcano. Help! A volcano is erupting! Ah! I was not happy of the orange lava, so I done it again, but this time I did it with red paint, and you can see it's much better.